All right, let's look at ku, ku. Okay, it just goes this way. Okay, it means by itself. It means 灰烬的那个灰 ash. All right, or it corresponds with the word storehouse. 库 For example, 这库一库，这可无库 and 一这库一库就是那个粮仓 ，OK，granary. Ku at the beginning, for example, 库不喝，可无库不无不 and 喝，库不喝刷烟，四无苏，无阿哇 and 一安烟。This is consonant 一，刷烟，yellow, okay, and 国撒，个我国 and 四阿撒。This 库不喝 is bordered yellow and banner， 就是镶黄旗 ，OK。So this is ku at the beginning and ku in the middle. 被困 b and e, so this is a b, okay, and then ku and wu en wen 被困 is cold 很冷的那个冷 okay, so ku in the end, for example food, grains 这库就是这个这库 is the same one. Here ku is the ending form and this is the middle form. Okay, so 这库 food or grains, or another example 土库土库就是衣服 okay, clothes